Hello and welcome to another video that we will be talking about promotion. Basically, how can we give coupon discount to our clients? So let's go ahead. Promotions. You click on promotions. We have it in language English, and we create a promotion. Let's call this promotion discount 10%. You can name it as you please. Let's do two. We'll be doing two. One is for all products, all your products in your store, or just one for specifically. So first, let's start with all products. Okay. Let's give it a name, a description. Discount for all products. All right. Oops. And there you go, and see, there you go. Discount for all products. Yay, wonderful. Next, we'll start with the date. What date do you want to start this? Today's the 3rd of February, and we want to start this immediately, as it is around, currently right now, it is 2:38. So let's say 10, so we want this to start immediately, say 10 o'clock. And it ends in 1 week. So 3rd, the 10th, let me just move this around. The 10th, and it finishes at 12 a.m. All right, I think so. So far, good. Let's give it give it a coupon. You need to give a coupon code to your customers so they can apply it in the checkout to get a discount. So let's give it a name. Let's say discount 10x or percent. You can name it as you please. Just make it something that makes sense to you and for them. So let's call it this 10 Feb, right? Oh, February. Okay. Something like that. You can name it as you please. I just came up with this right now. And per customer limit, maximum number of times the promotion can be used by a single customer. So how many times do you want one customer to use to use your discount? I would suggest one. Go ahead, one. Or if you want the same customer to use, if you say two, so this customer can use your coupon 2 times. And you don't really want that. The best way to do it is one customer per coupon. How many times this coupon can be used? This coupon can be used, let's say 20 times, just to give you an example. And you can say discount for all products, only for one week. Something like that. But you get my drift, right? All right. And discount for all products, only for 1 week. And you can set the time the 3rd to the 10th of February. And I misspelled that. February. Wonderful. And I spell that again. There you go. All right. There you go. So this is just an example, right? Just have that in mind. Next thing, conditions. If an order is greater than 1. So if a product costs more than €1, they will get a discount of 10%. Of 10% as we just mentioned now. But example, if somebody buy a product that is over €10, then the order is greater than €10, they get a discount as you please. Just try to mention it, of course, try to mention it here so they're able to see it, your customers. Just try to give them not much as possible, simple instructions as possible for your customers. Next, we go and add actions. Do you want it to be a fix? As you see over here, we add actions. It can be a discount per a fixed price, by the amount, AMT amount, or percentage. Here we'll try by percentage, as we mentioned previously. And that's it. There you go. We just created a coupon code, and now it should appear in all our products that we have enabled, right? So if we go here, let's take on a product that we have enabled, GOT, and we go to, let's say this one. As you can see, we'll list all our products, so we can just copy this, go to our storefront, go here, and there you go. How about if we go directly to our store? Oh, there you go. You see, discount coupon. So all our products will have this label, so the users are aware. So if they go to the storefront, or wait, let's say if they go to the storefront, they will see all the coupon codes who has a coupon code, right? But as we said, we want all our products to have a coupon code, so they all have a coupon code. So if you click here and it says discount for all our products only for 1 week, the 3rd until the 10th February. So that makes sense, I think so. So let's see. First of all, this was previously. Let's remove everything from our cart and let's add. There you go. We copy. As simple as that. We remove, and the user will be doing that. You don't need to, of course, this is just to show you how does it work. And there you go. They copy it and they paste, and there they have their discount, and it says discount coupon applied. That's it. That's all. Nothing more. Let's go back, and now we will add a discount coupon, but only for specific products, because sometimes you will like to have a discount, but only for one product, not for all your products. So what we will do, here we go. We click here, and you said, okay, I want to have only for one specific product to have a discount, correct? But if you add both, if you have 2 discount coupon code, it will be confusing for the user. So I suggest that you have a general coupon if you want, or specifically for some products. All right, if you have both, it could be confusing for the user, and all right. So let's go ahead. Let's just create discount 10% discount for only this item. Okay, and here we go. Let's give it a capital D, and starts, let's say today, and time, let's say 10 o'clock, as we mentioned before. Let's move away my head, and for 1 week till the 10th. Then after coupon, only item 10%. Okay, let's give it a capital only, just to make it interesting. How many people, users, how many times? Let's say 20. And here where we specify what product, because this is the amount, right? And we want to specify what product will get that discount. So we say GOT, let's say the polo. Yeah, the polo, this is a goat polo. Let's say this one, that will select all the products. So all these products, all goat organic, they will have a discount, all right? Actions, let's say fixed discount, a percentage, as I said, mentioned over here. And now we created new promotion. So now if we go to this specific product that we just, it is a cotton polo shirt. So we can just write polo, and hopefully, there you go. So now we have discounted minus 10%, discounted for all products only for 1 week, blah, blah. But this is the one we did previously, correct? Am I right? This is the one we did previously, so you need to wait about a few seconds or minutes until it appears. Actually, you have to wait for 5 minutes to be able to appear, but we will, as soon as this video comes out, it will take about 1 minute. 1 minute or 2 minutes to appear, all right? When you have two coupons. So now let's have a look in our product that we just created. So if we go back to promotion, we created 2 coupons, right? So here we have 2 coupons, and one is for one product and this is for all the products. Okay, so let's have a look. How does it look? If we click over here, as you can see, all our products has a discount, but if we go specifically to this one, right, that we created 2 coupons for it, so yes, 2 coupons, that could be confusing for the buyer, right? They could say, okay, what you could do is increase, they have a 20% discount instead of a 10% discount, so you can just go here and say, okay, for this, specifically for this product, let's give it a 20%. So you need to change it 2 places, here and here, to change that. And we update. As I said before, this takes a little bit of time to update. It should take about 1 minute to be updated. All right. So yeah, so that's how coupons in general, how it works. You just have to give a coupon if you want it to be specifically for a product, or if you want it to be a 10%, or if you need it to be a fixed price. It's very easy. You can just go over here and you said add a condition. I want it to be a fixed price because I don't want I want to give them a 10% the amount, to give them a fixed price discounted. You can do that too. So you have both possibilities, but it's good if you just remove one, right? Just remove one. Yeah, and that's about it. That is coupons. That's how it works.